we'll be talking about how to make your KoboCollect form accessible to everyone. And so I'm just going to log into my account. Hopefully the network is good. And, so I'm trying to log into my Box platform. So let's assume that this is the form I actually want to make available for people to use. Just go to the form and just preview. Just want to make sure that this is the form I actually want to make open for everybody to actually use. So now that I've confirmed that, what I can then do is just to go to settings and go to sharing. And so I'm going to create a public a shareable link, and I've done that before and I just want to do that again. So if I go to, let me see, settings for a new project, so this doesn't have that. So I want to make this, let me look at this form. This is a different form. Good. So I want to make a shareable link, one that I can share with anybody, for them to be able to fill the survey online. So if I go to settings of my deployed form, I will just go to sharing, and I'm going to say allow submission to this form without username and password. I'm going to allow that, and so anyone can view this form. This is what I'm going to click. Anyone can view submissions made on this form. No, I don't want this. I just want the first one. Now you see this shareable link is what I'm just going to copy and share it to every other person. So I'm just going to copy the URL that they provided to me. I'll paste it on my I'll paste it on a different browser and just click on enter, and it's going to load and it's going to give me access to that particular form. I wonder why. Okay, well, this is not what I want. This is not what I want. So I think I made a mistake. I'm going to allow submissions to this form without username and password. I'll just allow it. I'm not going to say anyone can be. I'll not click on this. I'll go back to the form now. So under collect data, I'm just going to click on copy. Now I will then go to a different browser. Let's see, and paste the URL there. So when I clicked on copy, it copied a URL for me, and click on enter. So then it's going to take me to the actual form where I can actually fill it as an anonymous or somebody who is filling the form. So that's how you can share this form to other people so that they can access it and fill in the form. So not on the settings, sharing, and anyone can view this form. Don't share this. This is really not what you want to share to people. So you just go to the form where there is allow submission to this form without username and password. You enable it, So once you enable it, you can then copy the URL here and share it to, say for instance, myself. Anyways, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.